Hello friends, this is Bhavatosh here. Welcome back to my channel, Perfect Analyst. So today we are discussing about Python tokens. What are the tokens? How many types of tokens? What is tokens? Token is nothing but a building blocks of Python code. So if you are writing any code inside the Python, it is broken down into components and each component is called as tokens. And tokens are characterized into several types. We have different types of tokens. We have keywords, we have identifiers, we have literals, we have operators. So these are the types of tokens we have. So let's go to the first keywords. So what is keywords? Keywords is nothing but reserved words which has a special meaning in Python. Let's say like true, like false. These are all boolean operators. So these are all reserved words. You cannot use these words as a variable in Python. Okay. Let's say I'm going to the command prompt here. I can write a equal to 10. Here a is variable and we have assigned the value 10. Now if I want to create a variable with keywords, let's say true, true equal to 10. So what will happen if we type here? It will show error, syntax error, because I cannot consider true as one of the variable like a I have considered. Okay, because this is a reserved word by the Python. So the interpreter will not consider this as a variable. It will consider as a reserved words. That's why it is showing error. Similarly, if you do some other keywords like if or else, suppose I am typing if equal to 10, it will show error because if is not a variable, no, it is a reserved word. But if I type b equal to 10, it will consider as a variable. There is no error here. So that's why it's suggesting like we have reserved words that have special meanings like keywords cannot be considered as a like these are all reserved words cannot consider as a identifiers. Okay. Next come to identifiers. So if you are giving any name to variables, those are called identifier. Just like I shown you, I have shown like a equal to 10. So a is identifier, b equal to 20, b is identifier. So if you are giving any name, particular name to, or you are assigning some value, right? So those are called identifiers. But there are some certain rules like you cannot start a identifier with a digit. Let's say here I am creating one identifier here. Let's say 1a equal to 10. It will give me error. Because 1 is integer, I cannot start any variable with digit, any number. Okay, that's why that there are some rules here. I've written some rules. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. No special characters except underscore. So except underscore, there is no special character you can use. That cannot be used as an identifier. In Python, the value of integer is not restricted by any bits. It can be expanded to the limit of the available memory. Unlike any other language, you have a 8 bits, right, for if you're integer. So similarly here it cannot, there is no restriction for in Python. There is no restriction in Python. It can be expanded to the limit of the available memory. Well, these are the rules of identifiers. Now comes literals. What is literals? Literals representation of data such as numbers, strings, and boolean values. Okay, like 23, I've given here 53 minus 23. It can be positive or negative number. Literals can be a positive and negative number. Hello is a string. Similarly, we have boolean like true or false. These are all literals. Then, if you are considering float like uh, decimal value like 3.14, these are all float. We have long also, we have unlimited. Okay, these are all different types of literals. And then comes to operators. Operators is like it is a symbols used to perform operations on operands. Python operators include like arithmetic operators. We have plus, minus, multiplication, by, percentage. These are all arithmetic. When you are assigning any values like equal to, okay, these are all called uh, given one wrong here. Yeah. So here equal to, plus equal to, multiplication equal to, by equal to, percentage. These are all assignment. You are assigning certain value, right? These are all assignment operators. Logical operators like and, or not. And if you are going to compare two values, then you can give all these operators. So let's try to understand about both literals and operators. Okay, so literals like integer, like so I'll go to command prompt here. Let's say I'm putting a equal to 20. So here 20 we have assigned 20. This is integer. Integer can also be a negative. So a equal to minus 30 or b equal to minus 30. So this can be negative also. That's why it's mentioned integer can be positive or negative number. Then string, always remember if you are putting any string it has to be in quote. So let's say name equal to string, like name equal to my name, suppose. Okay, so this is, I have given the string here. This is called a string, it has to be in quote. Boolean like true or false. So let's try this boolean and float here. So I'm going to command prompt here, and let's say I'm typing name equal to Bhavatosh. Okay, name 1 equal to Bhavatosh. Okay, now if I'll type name equal to name 1, it's giving me true value. I hope it's clear, right? It's giving true value. Let's say if name 2 equal to Rohan, and then if I'll type name equal to name 2, it is false. So here it is boolean. Okay, that's what you have to understand. And also if you want to putting any value a equal to 10, suppose this is the variable a, and if you want to know the type you can just put type a. It will show you the class integer because this is integer value. Now suppose b equal to 3.5. Okay, b equal to 3.5, and if you want to know what is the class, you just type b bracket, it is a class float, so this is float type. Okay, so this point is clear. I hope this point is clear. Literals is clear. Similarly, we also have to understand about the operators. So let us try some operators here. You can try all these operators on your own and practice. So let me go some simple operators like plus, minus. So already we have used one operator here, right? So now let's say a equal to 10 plus 20. Okay, so a equal to 10 plus 20, b equal to 30. So a plus b is 60. So here 10 plus 20, 30 plus another 30, 60. So this is, we have used this operator, equal to operator and plus operator. Similarly, you can put what is a minus b, sorry, a minus b. So it is 0. So here 20 plus 10, 30 minus this 30 is 0. So you can practice on your own all these type of these operators and what is the function of it. You can go through this any other resource and you can try yourself. So there are different types of operators like arithmetic, assignment, logical operator, comparison operator, and all. So I hope this total course on Python tokens is very clear. If you have any queries with respect to tokens, you can write in comments and I would be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching my video.